Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Maki's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to cook oyakodon. Oyakodon is one of the popular Japanese dishes. My recipe doesn't call for sake and mirin, but it's just like the real oyakodon. Super easy and tasty. These are the ingredients. And if you have an oyakonabe, that's even better. But if you don't, a small frying pan is okay. Slice the onion. Remove excess bones and ligaments from the chicken. Cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Pour 200 cc of water in the pan. Add 1 teaspoon of dashi powder and bring it boil. Add sliced onion and chicken. Remove the scum from the surface. Add half tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of honey, 2 tablespoons of halal soy sauce, and cook about 5 to 7 minutes until chicken is cooked. While cooking chicken, prepare the rice into a bowl. Crack 3 eggs and beat lightly. Please do not beat the egg too much. If you beat too much, oyakodon won't be fluffy. Transfer the half mixture of egg and chicken to oyakonabe. And pour half amount of the egg into oyakonabe. Holding chopstick over edge of bowl to help distribute egg evenly. Cook about 2 minutes. Pour the rest of egg and stop fire and cook in the residual heat. Don't cook too much. Runny texture is the preferred way to serve oyakodon. Pour egg and chicken mixture on white rice. Garnish with sliced green onions. You can do the same thing with a frying pan. Thank you for watching my video and see you soon!